got bombed.
Oh!
Alright.
Lady in front of me. She's taking like 30 minutes to get back. I swear to God, she was in that bathroom before when I was changing in my babies. I was in the other bathroom. She was in that bathroom for like hours. But she's the one who did all that freaking floor.
Oh, I probably shouldn't have got my hands sanded. Yeah, you should have. I'll go watch it. But still, still.
You a box of cake. Yeah, we're sharing a box of cake.
Yeah. The box now I want.
What?
You go to the green area? Not green area.
Whatever. Yeah, we might pass that.
They do
We
have
might go
a.
to it.
I'll get chocolate.
They do have a lot of candy there.
I'll ask my mom for money. How much are they?
Bimboozle was $10.95.
No. Like chocolate. Any chocolate. Okay.
Got it.
Hold on, let me put on.
Alright. Chris, are you getting anything?
I'm gonna find it.
Sharing coin.
We're gonna bury.
No.
Tom Watson. Where's the column of the condition of the ball?
Wait, whoa.
Yeah.
When do you do that thing?
You can bump if you have 2 or 4. If you have 4, you can bump to 2s. If you have 2, you
4
can
on
bump
one
to
hand.
1.
That's what
Wait.
she said.
If you have 4, you bump to
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter on what.
Wait, if you have 4, you bump to 2 on both fingers.
Yes. If you,
And then if you
I'm
bump
laughing about this.
if you have 2, then you can bump to 1.
Okay, brown is canned dog food or chocolate pudding.
clippings are
Ooh, win-win
I'm
kind of.
probably gonna go long clippings. Oh, let's see.
I got chocolate pudding. Yes.
Yep. Here, Michael, let me
But it
taste it.
doesn't taste that bad. Like the
You're not Chris. You got the pink one.
What's it called?
What is pink?
What is it?
Don't know.
What's it called?
What?
The throw up was.
Barf?
Oh yeah, Chris
Oh, I
forgot.
just got that.
Chris got barf.
I have barf or peach.
I know. I'm pretty sure this one
What-
that I got is
wait,
bad.
Plain Russian bean roulette.
Wait, what can it be?
It's barf or peach.
Okay.
I know this is good, or this is
I
bad,
just got
but it
one.
tastes
It
good.
was like really wet.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Oh, can I have this one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
What, is that hard?
It's not. It's moldy milk or no, it's spoiled milk or coconut. If you're taking the one I just handed you,
What'd you get?
you would have gotten strict chalk. If you're taking the one I had given you, you would have gotten that because I got that.
I need to get this.
I got peach. For bar from peach.
I got dog food, but that's good anyways because I eat dog food.
Everyone eats dog food.
I eat canned dog
Why?
food.
Allie, what'd you get?
Sticky sauce off the can.
Oh.
There you go. Burger or juicy pear.
Come on, everyone eats their booger, so you're probably fine.
I've never eaten a booger before.
Same. No, but Kaylin would enjoy that.
The blue one's the best.
The blue
I
one's a
know. If there's a
win-win.
blue one,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 7 left and none of them are blue. Okay.
no. What is it? Toothpaste?
It's toothpaste.
Here, give me one.
Yeah.
The barf is still in my mouth.
What color is it? It's like hands on me.
It's like
It's like it's dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
sure.
Wait, How does it feel?
To be honest, I really don't know. It's dead fish. Yeah, it's
Nice, I
dead
got lime or lime something.
Yeah.
No, it's actually not bad.
fish. You like dead fish? 'Cause that's what it is. I can smell it.
It's actually not bad.
Oh.
It's
I
not
got
bad.
lime.
Can I have wine?
Let me check here. There's 4 left.